Hey everyone! So in today's video we are visiting at Ajmera Lugaano. It's a residential project located in Yelahanka, Bangalore. So we are at the project location and this is the road connectivity. And here you can take the view of project surrounding. And that's the main entrance gate of the project. So from here you can take the view. And now let's take the interior view of a 2 BHK flat of this project. So this is the main entrance door. And in front you can see a well furnished living room. Now in the living area we have an attached balcony. So this is the balcony space. And here's the dining area. And in front of the dining space we have the modular kitchen. So this is the kitchen space. The kitchen is finely crafted. And it also has a utility balcony. And here's the utility area inside the kitchen. And now we are moving towards the kids' bedroom. So here it is. The room has a wide window. And in front of the kids' bedroom we have a common washroom. The washroom is very well fitted with ultra-modern sanitary fittings. And now let's take the view of the master bedroom. The room is nicely designed and is well furnished. And it also has an attached washroom. and this bedroom comes with an attached balcony. So viewers, this we have showed you a 2 BHK model flat. I hope you all like this video. Thank you for watching. So if you're interested to book a flat in this project, then please contact our sales team at the given number. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for latest real estate videos and updates. Thank you.